Everybody goes to sea thinking they're going to find themselves in an emergency situation, but when things do go wrong, they generally go wrong very, very quickly, leaving you very little time to react.
Pre-planning is the key. The object of this little video is to give you some idea about setting up your emergency procedures, so you and your crew have got some idea of what to do should something go wrong.
Obviously in boating there's a fair amount of emergency situations you can find yourself in. Most common ones are man overboard, capsizing of your vessel or fire.
The very first thing you need to do at any side of a potential emergency situation is ensure that you and your crew are wearing life jackets. If they're inflatable life jackets, make sure your crew know how to use them.
It's really important that everybody has a jacket for when they go out and they know how to use it. So if you've got an inflatable jacket, you want to try it on before you go, but you definitely want to know how to use it in case you do need to pull it.
As the skipper, it's important to try and keep everyone on board as calm as possible. The next step in your emergency procedure plan should be to raise the alarm, to let other boats in the area or rescue authorities know that you're in trouble. Obviously, there are a range of options for this: 000 on your mobile phone or channel 16 on your marine VHF radio are the places to start. But before you do any of that, it pays to know exactly where you are. Most boats these days have a GPS, and getting information is as easy as the press of a button. Remember, the better the information you can provide, the quicker the authorities will be able to come and get you.
There's a few other items in your boat's safety arsenal that will help you raise the alarm, and they include these flares. Every boat on the bays and around the coasts in Victoria need to carry flares, Nick, and they are great for showing people where you are and that you're in distress. But remember, only let them off when someone can see you.
Keep your powder dry. Then there is, of course, this, what I'm calling the greatest safety innovation in the last century. It is the EPIRB. This is a GPS-enabled, registered EPIRB, and when you pull the trigger on this, everybody who needs to know knows where you are within a matter of metres. Very good.
So if you've got a GPS-enabled EPIRB, once you let that off, it can pinpoint your exact position, which makes it easier for the authorities to find you.
And while you're waiting for help to arrive, if your boat is upright and afloat, it's usually a good idea to throw out the anchor to maintain your position.
And the final piece of advice in an emergency situation is to stay with your boat. Even if you're in the water, stay with your boat, because a boat is a lot easier to spot than a person.
For more information, simply pick up or download a copy of the Victorian Recreational Boating Safety Handbook. It has all the details about developing your own set of emergency procedures, plus heaps of other valuable tips for staying safe out on the water.